Hi everyone, and welcome to Coolzy.com. Today we're going to be comparing the Coolzy Go and the Coolzy Pro because we get so many questions. What is the difference between the Coolzy Pro and the Coolzy Go? Well, hopefully this video will answer those. First up, the Coolzy Go was our first design, and it is using a 340 watt compressor that uses genuine refrigeration using R290 refrigerant gas. Now, ambient air goes into the front, gets sucked in there, gets cooled inside the machine, and then comes back out to the user in a nice cool stream of refrigerated air. Ambient air is pulled into the back. The energy that was removed from the front air gets expelled out the back, and we've got a video that talks about how we treat the hot air, so please have a look at that one later. But that's it for the Coolzy Go. It's a very, very simple, easy to use machine. Both machines have a drip tray which captures the condensation if you're using it as a dehumidifier. But the Coolzy Go, you plug it in and you go, hence the name Coolzy Go. It weighs 15.4 kilos. And as you can see, physically, the actual size, it's the same. It's the same size as the Coolzy Pro. Now, the Coolzy Pro, this is our latest model. It uses an R290 340 watt compressor, same as the Coolzy Go, but the difference is it has a remote control. You can toggle the fan speeds, so you can make it go in low speed, medium speed, or high speed. You can also toggle the thermostat, which means you can set the thermostat in the controller down to about 17 degrees, is I think the most powerful. And the Coolzy, so long as the controller is in the stream of air, the Coolzy will work towards that temperature. The other thing is that the Coolzy Pro has a focus enhancer. The focus enhancer sits underneath the hood here, and as you can see, the Pro doesn't have one of those. It just allows all of the stream of air to come straight out. But the focus enhancer allows either a large volume of cool air to be expelled out the front, or if you close it, it focuses the air into a faster stream with higher pressure, which comes shooting out even faster. And that means that if you're sitting 2 or 3 meters away from your machine, you still get a nice stream of cool air. With the Coolzy Go, you're going to have to sit just a little bit closer to it. But the nice thing about having more volume coming through is that a greater volume of cool air means that you get that cooling effect really, really quickly as soon as you turn it on. In terms of energy consumption, they're quite similar, although this unit has a low, medium, and high speed fan. The Coolzy Go is set at the medium speed the entire time. So of course, if you've set this unit's fan speed at low, it's going to pull less energy from your wall socket than this unit will. Weight-wise, again, much of a muchness, 15.4 kilos, extremely portable, and I guess that's probably one of the strongest differentiating features of the unit. Noise-wise, this unit at low speed is about 45 decibels, medium speed is about 50 decibels, and high speed is about 55 decibels, which is significantly more quiet than competitors' units. This unit, because it's always at medium speed, 50 decibels across the clock, and we're glad for you to test and measure those. So 50 decibels would be the same as a muted conversation in a room. It's certainly not overbearing like some of the competitors' products that sound like a jet aircraft taking off in your bedroom. So there you have it, guys. That is the difference between the Coolzy Go and the Coolzy Pro. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. Otherwise, give us a like and a share. We look forward to you considering a Coolzy, and hopefully it's the right solution for you. All the best.